the Kids Cooking Network at Kimber's Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Sage. And I'm Lachlan from the Kids Cooking Network. Today, we're at the home of Kimber Lee, and she will be showing us how to make meatloaf sliders and cauliflower with red peppers.
Yes, and it's a very healthy meal. So, Sage, why don't you take some of the oatmeal and dump it into the turkey meat. There you go.
All of it?
Yeah, sure. There you go.
Why do we put oatmeal in beef?
Well, it's not beef, it is turkey because turkey is a lot more healthy and it is a protein. So the oatmeal, we were replacing it with bread because bread is carbohydrates and oatmeal is fiber, which is healthier for you. Now I want you to take the onion and the green pepper and the red pepper, I'm sorry. Dump it in there also. Very good. And finally, after that, then you're going to take some egg. And look at that, it's already cracked for us. Put that in there. And the egg is what holds all of the ingredients together. Okay? And then Sage, I want you to take this beautiful cauliflower and red pepper, dump it into the bowl. And we're going to drizzle it with some olive oil. Do you like olive oil?
I like butter better.
Well, olive oil is really, really healthy for you. And we are not using French fries this time because cauliflower is a great vegetable. Red pepper adds a lot of flavor to it. And then we're going to take this ingredients, we're going to cook it into the oven at 450 degrees. And you girls keep mixing because I have a superpower and it's called Instant Ready. And here we go. We have the meatloaf sliders as well as the roasted cauliflower with red pepper. You girls were amazing. Thank you for your help.
Thank you, Kimber, for making this delicious meal. I'm Sage. And I'm Lachlan. And thank you for watching the Kids Cooking Network.
Let's eat.
Thanks for watching the Kids Cooking Network.